soccer today, but you're outnumbered by the FMF pipe users.
Yep, FMF pipe users. Ooh, truck rice. No?
It's a terrible idea.
Says it's a terrible idea. Goes and makes a U-turn so that he can do it too. I'm scared. Thing pops you up pretty good.
That was so soft. It like mine feels clunky as shit. Yours is like a cloud.
His looks like a cloud. Like a big loud horse cloud. I'm gonna need gassy soon. And by soon I mean I got another 50 miles.
It's a lot of weight to be ran.
Yeah.
All 450 pounds of it. Plus me.
Plus you.
So like 970 pounds.
Like 970 total. Fucking getting up there. That thing's so soft too, it maxes out the front forks. Like,
I know, you can hear it smacking.
just sitting on it, you can max out the front forks.
Does that look alright?
Yeah, you're going pretty high.
You want to take a picture?
No.
Appreciate it.
Cops should be here soon.
Yeah.
Be all impounded. And... Sick. You need me closer, farther away?
Yeah, if you want.
Both?
Closer, so.
Probably one more and then not get arrested, you know?
I don't know how that works. I don't know who owns this lot, you know?
Yeah, but we are coming out of an alley and stuff, and we're ramping. There's a funeral in the background. My lord. Lord haveth mercy, son. I hope I got that.
That, I was doing a nose bonk. That's what I was trying to do.
Yeah.
That's what you said. Just landed an endo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm good on that note.
Yeah, let's do 3 more.
Yeah. Enough ranting for the day.
The whole time he had a pistol on his dick. I don't know how you don't pinch your dick off with that thing. Like, if it gets in the wrong spot, ramp, land.
Well, my penis is very small.
I know, but... Man, what is this deal today? Jesus, man. Sick. It's a real bad place to wheelie, so let's try it out. Just do a burnout. Lord, I got shrapnel from that one. Ooh, some ricey wheels. That's original. Let's go down to the river. I meant this way.
Real bad idea.
I meant the way we were already at. It'd be funny if there was like a state highway patrol up there. I think you can cross it. It's not that deep. It looks deeper than it is.
If I go right through all those trees, I'll probably...
If you go straight through the trees, you'll make it for sure. I wish that it was low so we could go out on the sandbar or something.
Yeah.
Oh, he got you, dude. He got you. Did you see him get into it there? Look, he literally left a perfect imprint of his tread. There was so little spin.
I didn't die today. I never felt that before.
Not dying? You've never felt that you didn't die. That's a shitty life if every day you feel like you died. I'm so gassy. hear the screams of people's souls coming out of there? That's what this thing runs on. The souls of Gixxer riders when they realize they're not as cool as this thing, you know? You ready for this?
Yeah. I got something for you. I found these. I forgot I had them. Look at this shit.
Look at these. Matchies.
You're getting ricier by the day.
Dude, I'm getting ricier by the second.
You should just make a bra out of those.
Dude, he's riding double and then there's no one behind me. Why don't they
Just
do that?
glue some hands on it.
You really don't want these?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You like bad boys?
I don't think she does. No trespassing, private property, no trespassing. Also no dumping.
He's not coming back.
Nah, he's gone. How's this thing actually clamped? Do you just squeeze it? And that works?
Yeah. Put this on it too.
The fuck is that? Oh shit, does that come with it or is that extra?
It comes with it. I mean, it's still that. I mean, it's pretty.
Let me feel on it.
Oh my gosh, it's so tight.
Well, he's pretty much committed. This is definitely a street bike friendly road with boulders and potholes and stuff. Let's see if I can make my bike backfire as much as possible. Well, AJ's gone forever. Meet me at the bottom of Yaples. Well, that's where we're located. Here he comes. Yeah.
Try it.
God, you are a newborn baby child on that thing. No, not at all. I think for one thing, I'm just used to seeing him on that, and also he just doesn't look like he fits the fucking bike. He looks so small on that thing. Kids love wheelies. Do it for the kids, you know?
Head back soon. I gotta go to my wedding reception. I should probably get back to work, to be honest. You gonna follow me back to work?
Sure.
I'll probably split off that home.
Yeah. Missed a shift.
Move. What the fuck? It's just light.
It's traffic light.
Oh. I get confused by lights really easily.
I can tell.
Half the time I don't even know if that's the sun or not.
No, that's a street light.
See?
See?
I'm all fucked up. Now I gotta wait for these assholes. God damn it, we're not gonna get it.
All I keep thinking about is that
Fucking
Mike
do
Jones
it.
song. Gripping grain in the turning lane. Doing other stuff in the turning lane. Doing other stuff in the turning lane. That's the whole song. Getting brain in the turning lane. Driving in the turning lane in the turning lane. We're cool.
Till we get pulled over.
Right? Sick, bro! Oh shit. That was a real bad idea. That's a cop. Well, we're gonna split up, so only one of us will get pulled over, that's for sure. I think I've seen his lights turn this direction. Oh, I think I seen the cop go by. So hopefully AJ got home in time, because we were definitely speeding. Well, that's gonna do it for that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time.